Here's a breadboarded circuit with a 3728 surface mount chip, 24 pin, driven by a Arduino Nano, 8 RGB LEDs and 4 7 segments. I got the inspiration for this when I bought this I2C display board from Rheingold Heavy. Same thing, 8 RGB. I traced this circuit out and put it on the breadboard so I could test surface mount, because the neat thing about this board after I played with it for a while is this 3728 chip, this matrix driver chip, can control 64 individual LEDs. There's 59 on this board. There's 4 7 segment, that's 28. There's 8 RGB LEDs, so that's 3 times 8. There's 4 decimal points. There's a colon for the clock. There's 2, and there's a temperature LED. This board inspired me to buy some of these 3728 chips and learn how to do some surface mount soldering. I did 8 boards, and 2 of them didn't work. I'm still not sure why, but 25% failure rate's pretty high, but hey, I'm trying. This board is very nice because it's limited in that it only works on an Uno, but you can immediately plug it in. You have to plug it in correctly, or you could burn something out. But you can use the tutorials then on Rheingold Heavy, nice tutorials which tell you how to really put data on those displays fast. Very nice setup. So let me grab that cable to plug this in, and okay, and then I'm gonna turn this guy on. And they're not synchronized at all. I'm going to put a cover over these to reduce the brightness and turn the light out, and let it run. The 8 RGBs LEDs, you can actually do color mixing with them. It just seems so cool to me to be able to control so many LEDs with one tiny little chip. That was a lot of fun to do that, and I wanted to verify that it works. So both the Uno here and my breadboarded circuit are running exactly the same code, and they seem identical. I like, now I'm doing a binary count on the decimal points and the colon LEDs and the temperature LED. And that'll max out here in a second and flash all those individual LEDs on the 7 segment display module. Now we're just doing a random color to the LEDs. And then it starts over.